Have you ever wondered what makes Indonesian cuisine so diverse and vibrant? It all boils down to the rich tapestry of cultures, traditions, and landscapes that make up this incredible archipelago. Indonesia, a country of over 17,000 islands, each with its unique customs, traditions, and of course, mouth-watering dishes. Today, embark on a culinary journey across this enchanting country, exploring the distinct flavors of its diverse regions. Start in Sumatra, the westernmost island of Indonesia. Here, the cuisine is heavily influenced by Middle Eastern and Indian traders who passed through centuries ago. Rendang, a slow-cooked spicy meat dish, originates from here. Originally a ceremonial dish to honor guests, this hearty dish now graces everyday meals with its rich, spicy, and coconut milk-infused flavor. Move eastward to Java, the political and economic heart of Indonesia. The Javanese love their food sweet, and gudeg is a testament to that. A slow-cooked jackfruit stew, sweetened with palm sugar and served with rice, it's a dish that perfectly encapsulates the sweet-toothed nature of the Javanese. Next stop, the island of the gods, Bali. Balinese cuisine is a feast for the senses. Babi guling, or spit-roasted pig, is the star of the show here. Marinated in a concoction of local spices and herbs, then slowly roasted, this dish is a celebration of Balinese culinary craftsmanship. Not to be overlooked is Sulawesi, with its unique culinary traditions. Coto Makassar, a rich, hearty beef soup, is a must-try. Made from beef and innards, slow-cooked until tender, and served with a tangy, spicy sambal, it's a dish that warms the soul. Finally, the easternmost region, Papua, papeda, a sago porridge served with fish in a spicy yellow soup, is a staple here. It's a testament to the resourcefulness of the Papuan people, making the most of the ingredients available in their lush, tropical environment. To summarize, Indonesian cuisine is a reflection of the country's diverse cultures, landscapes, and history. From Sumatra's hearty rendang, Java's sweet gudeg, Bali's festive babi guling, Sulawesi's soul-warming Coto Makassar, to Papua's resourceful papeda, each dish tells a story of the region it hails from. So, next time you have the chance to try Indonesian food, remember, you're not just enjoying a meal. You're taking a bite out of a rich cultural heritage. And who knows, you might just find your new favorite dish among these culinary treasures of Indonesia. Bon appetit!